Hey, it's Jordan Rudess here from Dream Theater. Thanks for signing up for 30 Days to Better Technique starting on May 6th. I created this course with the people at Pianote because they have an incredible team that's focused and capable to deliver educational materials, and they're simply the best in our industry. The learning format is fun and engaging, and you'll play along with me for like 10 minutes a day. There's no memorization required, just practicing along with me and having fun. One of my beloved piano teachers used to give me a gentle kick under the table if I played a wrong note. And while I believe that might have been strangely effective in this course, I figured out a way to avoid that painful approach and give you some things that'll just really help your playing. My teacher at Juilliard was incredible, and they taught me techniques that I'll reveal to you in this course. And you'll get to take these lessons from the comfort of your home while you're playing along with me. And by the end of it, you'll get better at 4 valuable techniques and really expand your playing. I'm really excited to be playing with you, and I'll see you on May 6th.